Hello friends, welcome to my next important video. Today I am going to give you a complete detailed overview of what are the videos available in our channel, because some of them are not aware of. We have a wide range of resources available in our channel, and that has been compiled as a different playlist also. I'll just to take you to those videos list, and probably you will be able to access those videos easily. Number one. Number two, probably you can share to the people which you know they are in need of such kind of videos. You can share these videos and let them get benefited, especially the fresh students, the fresh PhD aspirants, and somebody who is in need of these resources. You can share to them. Just I'll tell you what are the list of videos available and what are the different playlists I have created, and all those things we'll see come, and I'll show you in a very easy way. Yeah, the moment you come to my channel, just you type in generally if you type, go to Google, just type Professor Dr. Rajsekaran, obviously my name will be listed. This is my channel. In case you have already subscribed, no issue, otherwise you can subscribe and you can go there. But my purpose is not to ask you to subscribe, but I am going to explain what are the different videos available. It is the complete repository are there, and repository is available. I'm going to tell you one by one. See, first thing, if you come to this channel page and after subscription and you come here, generally you can see what are the popular videos, popular uploads, what are the major important videos. Got many people viewed it. You can see their tips from Viva OC, write a research paper in Tamil, because I post both Tamil and English videos. Tamil are very rare, limited, just around 16 to 20 videos are there. But in English already we crossed almost, I think, nearing 100 videos we have posted in English. So these are the popular uploads. You can check if anything will be useful to you. You can check. But very importantly, you come to the playlist. That's a very important one. I'm going to kindly make a note. The research basics. If you want to learn about research basics, for that alone I have posted 11 videos. And for error correction, 7 videos. For PhD related videos, 32. And referencing style, MLA, APA style, 7 videos. And this one will be like this. There are so many playlists. Just I'll take you to the exact playlist, the other page. Yeah, you can, if you go to this thing, this is the entire playlist, except a certain job skill and other thing. You can leave it. Only you can search the playlist related to research. I'll show you first one. See, this is about PhD playlist. These are the videos available. You can see these many videos are there. You can simply browse through. You can check which one you want. You can just see that. You can go through that video, or someone is in need of particular, for example, possible major changes in future. If in case you are doing PhD, what are the new changes would happen in the future. In that way, every aspect I have covered in the area. You can check all these things one by one. Just to go and browse, just whether you watch it or not, first understand what are the different resources are available. That will help you a lot. And look at the another playlist. This is about Scopus journal. These many videos are there. And look at the another one. This is how to write research papers. For that alone, this is a research material playlist. All the videos in this section will be related to how to take research materials. Like this, I have many, there are so many playlists, and I have compiled all these things in an Excel sheet. Also see, look at the basics of research, research resources, research paper reading, writing, plagiarism, error correction, referencing style, publishing paper, research methodology alone. I have almost 25 videos. And PhD related, exactly PhD related thing, 34, and Scopus another 4, research, how to create research profile another 4, UGC CARE 3, totally 114 videos. But I think I have posted in the last week some other video. Now it will be around 120 videos exclusively for the research. So my humble request to every one of you is to share these things to the need people, because someone yesterday asked me to please post a video about MLA latest style, because already the video is there in the channel. Latest 9th edition about MLA, you have things are there, and separate webinar thing I have done. Look at there, data changes in MLA 9th edition, and all those things are available. Just only thing, you have to go to the channel and verify everything, and almost you would get A to Z related to research, publications, and managerial skill, and everything I have covered. Just to check all the playlist, and if you find it useful, watch more videos. Otherwise, you can say, you can be a help to other people. Just to share these videos to other students or scholars, let them get benefited. And because one of the YouTube subscriber asked me what are the videos available, because instead of telling only to him, I thought of making a video so that it will be useful to everybody. I hope this is just to give you the complete overview about what are the things are available in our channel, and get benefited. Let me catch you in the next video. Bye bye.